I will show you this problem which happened on my Samsung A26. Google Chrome suddenly became unupdatable. Like I can't update Google Chrome, and I will show you. If I go to the Google Chrome in the Play Store and I click on update, a very weird behavior happened. It shows this, can't install Google Chrome. So I'll click on got it, and then I'll show you how did I fix this. So the way I fix this is first just close every application. Let's go to Chrome first. Let's see what version we have. If I go to my Chrome version, I have 131 right here. So to fix this, you click on the Play Store, you go to the information right here, and you go to the storage, and you click on clear data. But be careful when you click on clear data, sometimes it logs you out of your Google account in Play Store. So you have to, if you don't remember your password or you got some important information, make sure you set everything up before you click on this button. So I'll click on clear data, and I will click on delete. The weird thing though, when I click on clear data, it doesn't log me out of my account. It just works smoothly, no problem. So after clearing the data, the next step must be done accurately and fast. When you open Play Store, you have to straight away search for Chrome and update it. If you close and open the Play Store app for some reason, the UI will be changed to another UI, which is, I suppose it's the new UI, and then you cannot update Chrome. So it's very, very weird behavior. So focus here. I will do it right now. I will go to a Play Store. As you can see here, we click on search fast, I'll search for Chrome, and then click on it, click on update. This is the old UI. As you can see here, it's showing something here, like this is not the new UI. So it's actually installing right now. As you can see, it's fixed right now. It's installing the update. And I will show you what I mean by the old UI and new UI. So it's installed. If I close and open the Play Store app, look what's going to happen. It shows me this now. Let's click on get started. Let's just proceed from this. Not now, no thanks. And let's search again for Chrome to see how the UI got changed. Look at this. Now the Google LLC, it's under the Google Chrome. The whole UI got changed. And this is new UI. You cannot update Chrome for some reason. So let's check if Chrome got updated. So my old version was 131. If I open Google Chrome right now and I go to settings, and then I go under about Chrome, and then, oh yes, it actually got updated. So I went from 131 to 139. Yeah, so this is how you update Google Chrome on Android, Samsung, after this horrible glitch that happened that stopped you from updating it. I don't know why did this happen, but this is super annoying and I hope it gets fixed. I reported this to Google, but I doubt that they will fix this in the near future, because I've reported another Google Translate bug and they did not fix it. So I just searched for a solution. Yeah, so this is it. This is how you update Google Chrome on Android after this horrible glitch. Okay, so I'd like to add this part as an extra to the video. If when you open Play Store, if you see some kind of weird stuff in the Play Store, go click on your profile icon here, and then click on Settings, and go to the About section and go under. So when you go under, there's an option called Update Play Store. You click on it, you update your Play Store to the latest version, and hopefully every bug or glitch gets fixed. I did this, and if I click Update, as you can see, it says Google Play Store is up to date. So even when I clear the data, it doesn't change the version, just go back to some, I don't know, it clears some data that I can install. I mean, that's really good that I can install Chrome when doing this method. But yeah, if you have a problem in your Play Store, you can update it, and hopefully it gets fixed.